Oh, I think we're making progress. Okay. It's time to replace my patch, and this is not fun to take out. Actually, really hurts. Oh my god, I don't know how this is gonna come off. This is one overpatch, so I'm trying to take that off first. Can really use another hand right about now. Okay, I'm back with a Q-tip with some baby oil to help. Okay, it doesn't help that I have sensitive skin. Okay. Almost there. Ooh, this is so not fun right now. Oh my gosh. Oh. There has to be an easier way. Okay, finally. Woohoo! And this is the joys of having sensitive skin. Wow. Yep, it's pretty red and bumpy. Hopefully it's all good in the morning. So the next one will be on the other arm. Okay, so this is gross, but there is, I don't know if you could see, a needle. There it is. Aha. Okay, so there is a needle, so you want to be careful when you're disposing of it to put it in a sharps container and not to poke yourself. All right, I'm here with instructions to apply the next sensor. I wash my hands with soap and water and just gonna wipe this. Wait for it to dry. Okay, just cut it with some scissors. Yes, I'm nervous again, even though it wasn't a big deal last time. Okay, press. And wasn't a big deal. Okay. You want to make sure you save this because you need the serial number to connect the sensor. Ta-da! Gently press on top of the sensor for 10 seconds. And now I'm going to attempt to put this overpatch on, not the other one, because that one really hurt my skin. So we'll see. Okay. I'd say that was a success. No problems. All right, super excited to try out the next 2 weeks. Once again, if you'd like to try it yourself, use code DrPatel30 to save 30% on Nutrisense's website by using the Stello by Dexcom biosensor. Thank you so much.